Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming looks and a beautiful designs. You will be also attractive videos, also charming designs and most demanding videos. Hope everyone likes so attractive videos. And most demanding videos, you will be amazing videos and different amazing videos. Keep me attractive, sharing a most elegant design, so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos in a charming looks of this video are so demanding videos, so demanding designs. You will be amazing videos, amazing designs. Keep me attractive and sharing a most elegant videos are blouses of crochet top blouses are trendy videos in all Pakistan's or different types of countries. And carry these designs, carry these beautiful things, beautiful ideas. You will be amazing and perfectly videos. Always be share very amazing videos. Hope so I really share a good things, good family members. And different types of things, different types of videos. You will be amazing videos. You will be also good things, also charming designs. And most demanding videos in different types of things. May Allah Almighty keep you happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this harmony, like this perfectly and stunning videos. You will be attractive things and different amazing ideas. You will be amazing and perfectly videos. Hope everyone like amazing videos. You will be also attractive things in a good looking charming videos. So I request you all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing our good things, good numbers. You will be amazing and perfectly videos in a perfectly designs. Keep more attractive and sharing a most demanding, most elegant and most